When it comes to studying at Monash, classes really are just the beginning of your learning experience.
You'll be expected to do a lot of independent study each week. The best thing to help you get the most out of your independent study is the Hargrave Andrew Library and its resources,
Within the library itself, there are computers, printers, copying and scanning facilities.
as well as an extensive collection of books and journals specific to engineering, science, medicine and IT. You'll also find a number of classrooms and study rooms, along with librarians and learning skills advisors, though I'll get to that in a bit.
Throughout the O week and first week of semester, the Hargrave Andrew staff offer a few really cool sessions to get you familiar with the library and studying at Monash.
You'll find a link to these sessions in this page about the library. Some you'll need to register for, but others you can just show up.
All the sessions are really helpful in their own way. I attended quite a few, which meant that by the end of my first week at Monash, I already had an idea about how to get the most out of my classes, how to do referencing in engineering, and more. I think it's the best start to the course I could have given myself.
The session I particularly enjoyed was the library tour. Within an hour, I knew exactly what study-related things I could go to the library staff for, as well as a few good tips about researching at uni.
For instance, during semester, if I was having trouble with how to write or research for a particular assignment, I just went along to a drop-in session where the learning skills advisor or librarian either helped me out on the spot or booked me in for a longer appointment. The learning skills advisors have really helped me out.
Hi, I'm one of the Learning Skills Advisors based at the Hargrave Andrew Library. I'm part of a team of Learning Skills Advisors and librarians who provide classes and individual advice for engineering students. We can help with things like planning and finding information for your assignments, as well as improving your academic communication and study skills. This is the Research and Learning Point. This is where you can drop in to see a librarian or a learning skills advisor at set times during the week. You don't need an appointment, but you do need to know when the drop-in sessions are held. The times are on the library website. At other times, or for general library inquiries, there's always someone here at the information point to help you.
As well as face-to-face services offered at the Hargrave Andrew Library, there are a heap of well-thought-out online resources that can also help you with your studies at Monash. At first, trying to find the right online tutorial, exercise, referencing or report example can feel a bit overwhelming because there's so much online.
It can be hard to know where to start, but after looking around a bit, I realised that the library homepage is actually the most simple way to find out what you need to know about the library.
In between the library search bar and the opening hours for all Monash libraries, you'll also find the Information for Students link. Here you can easily access just about any online study resources you could need, from unit reading lists to Monash University lectures online, quick study guides, online tutorials and more. You can also quickly find out about the services and facilities available. It's really simple.
Some of the most helpful online resources I've used at Monash are the library guides. There are guides for general engineering as well as guides specific branch for when you get to second year. The library guides are comprehensive study companions which would help me with the assignments every step of the way, from research to reading to the writing and referencing. Amongst the resources in the engineering library guides are ebook collections. There are thousands of ebooks accessible covering all aspects of engineering. You can access these from anywhere.
Just link to the books from the library guide or from Search, the library catalogue. There really is a lot in the library guides and they can really help when it comes to effective study. My recommendation is to have the library guides bookmarked in your browser of choice and have an explore for yourself. It's the only way you'll really get a feel for what they can offer you. So now you've been introduced to a few of the neat ways the Hargrave Andrew Library can help with you in your studies.
Be sure to get along to the library tours during O week and the first week of semester and see for yourself how accessible all this stuff is.
The library will be one of your best allies when it comes to university study, so getting to know exactly what's on offer early is the best thing you can do to set yourself off on the right path.
See you later.
See you later.